The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission. As summer is winding down, it's a great time to get your car looked at. Georgetown Interstate Transmission and Auto Repair wants to help. We're going to hear from Brandon and Ashley today to learn a little bit more. Brandon, we're starting with you. Do you guys have any specials now that school is back in session?
Yeah, so we actually offer a road trip check for all of our coming back students. So that'd be for Southwestern University here in town, along with a lot of the high schoolers as well, who are just now getting their driver's license or their first cars. So we want to make sure we give them a good check. We'll check out the tires, tire pressure, brakes, fluids, make sure everything's topped up, ready to go.
There's no pressure here necessarily to do anything with your car, but you guys are the experts in helping us out with any problems that may pop up.
Right, and so those big things, I mean, the top three things that I can think of that we really want to focus on, especially right at summer or at the end of it, is going to be our coolant flushes. Coolant can get really dirty. It can, dissipate over time. And so when we get to these high temps, it's good to clean that out, flush it out, and make sure there's no contaminants in that system for when winter comes around. Batteries are another big one. High heat temperatures will like to take those out or at least cause some worn issues there. And then the last thing we want to also make sure we can get done is that climate control service. With these high humidity temperatures that we're getting here in Texas right now, these systems are condensating quite a bit, and it can cause a lot of mildew inside those systems, and we want to make sure it's clean and you're breathing fresh air in every time you get in your car.
Let's talk about specials happening for GISD faculty and staff. You, my friend, used to be a teacher, Ashley.
Yes. So as a former teacher, we love that we get the opportunity to offer a 10% discount to all of our teachers for just a thank you for all they do for our kids in the school system. So that's a 10% discount. It's offered year-round to any teacher. You just bring in your teacher badge and we'll apply the discount.
Sounds good to me. And what community-focused projects or charitable initiatives do you guys have coming up for the upcoming season?
Yeah, so for as long as I can remember, we have sponsored the football and cheerleading programs. So that's coming up here in the fall. Their season's about to kick off. We also are hoping to welcome another practicum student from the Georgetown ISD Auto Tech program. And lastly, coming up in September, we will be hosting a Christian Women in Business group here at the shop to do some education on just basic vehicle maintenance. I have a lot of female friends that don't even know how to put air in their tire, showing them where they can find the pressure of how much air needs to go in their tire, how to check their oil level, where to put washer fluid, just really basic things, just, if you're out by yourself, things that can get you by till you can get to see us at the shop.
It's really been wonderful talking with both of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
To schedule a service, call the number on your screen or visit georgetownautorepair.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Georgetown Interstate Transmission.